Hey, we have an ACRA automatic horizontal bandsaw model SBS 500A, serial number 020069. Machine is new in 2008. It has a large capacity of 19.69 or 500 millimeter round, 22.05 by 19.69 rectangular. We have a 1.6 inch blade width, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has infinitely variable blade speed. There you go. You can see it's a straight up and down column saw. Yep. There's a support also on the left hand side too. You have a front vise and a rear vise. You can program it to, now you see the rear vise going. You can program it to pull the material multiple times and cut multiple lengths. Yep, that's the feed of the vise in and out. Machine also has hydraulic blade tension. It has a chip auger. Blade's running, head is coming down. Variable, yep. And the blade is variable up to 280 feet per minute.
The auger?
Yep, there's a chip auger.
It's running right now?
Oh, it's running? Can you show that the screw is turning?
The chip auger.
And this saw is also original paint. It has a coolant system. It's 7.5 horsepower, the blade, 2 horsepower hydraulic pump. And hey, I think you've seen all the different functions. Thank you for watching our video.